Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to play a video in augmented reality for iOS using Flutter. So this is an iOS specific video for Flutter. So I'll show you what the output basically is. So firstly it asks you for camera permission. I have already given it. Now as soon as your camera starts playing, you can click on it, but this augmented, like this camera does take a little bit of time to sorry, I'll just pause the video. So it does take a little bit of time to detect light in your environment, so make sure you have proper lighting. Otherwise even after you clicking it multiple times, you might be like, why is the video not playing? And here I am just playing this video from a network URL, so I'll just play this. So here you can see that it is playing the video, and if I move my screen and come back again, the video is still in place. So this is in actual my bedroom. So let's see how to do this. So here inside main.dart, firstly I have created this homepage widget. Again I have just refactored this homepage widget. So here I have this scaffold safe area size box. I have occupied the entire width and height as well, and here we have created this my AR view. So I have created a class for this as well, and it is a stateless widget. This identifier is important because we will use this on native iOS side as well. And here I'm just checking if it is an iOS platform, then only create a UI view. For all other platform, just displaying a placeholder. Okay, next you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Firstly you will have to go to info.plist and make sure you have this camera usage description permission. Then you will have to update the minimum iOS deployment target to at least 14 over here as well as over here. Then go to app delegate, and here again this is boilerplate code. Important thing is this is the same identifier which we have used it on Flutter side, and here we are referencing our Swift file called my AR view native view factory. So we have created this Swift file. Again this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native iOS view inside your Flutter application, but it references this Swift file called my AR view native view, for which I have created another Swift file. And here you can see you will have to add all these imports. You don't need photos UI, yeah, ignore this. Like you can pick a video like from your photos app as well, but I don't want to make this video too complex, but you can do that. And then start playing the video. You just have to change the URL, that's it, like pass the updated URL. So here I have created a UI view, here I have created an AR view. This is our parent view, so I'm initializing it and I'm calling this particular method. Here we are overridden this method and returning our parent view. So here we are creating our AR view, adding it to our parent view, setting some NS layout constraints. Then here we are doing tab detection for our AR view. So I have added this tab gesture recognizer, and once that is clicked we just get the location. Then we do some raycasting, which even I'm not really good at, and once we do that we just get that anchor entity and add it to our screen. Now here you can see I'm passing this particular video URL, but you can change it to whatever you feel like. I mean you can use HTTPS just to be on the safer side. And here I have created our AV player item. Here I have created an AV player. Here we create our screen mesh, then the video material model. Even I'm not really good at this, I have just copy pasted it from the documentation, and then we just start playing our video. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can embed a video in augmented reality in Flutter iOS. Thank you for watching. Bye.